Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. I just had about 8 chicken thighs, trimmed up a little fat off them, patted them dry, cleaned up everything. We're gonna go in with a little olive oil and we're gonna throw these on the smoker, y'all. We want them nice and crispy. Go in with like maybe a quarter cup of olive oil, maybe a little more. Throw them in this bag so it's easier. Go in with a little salt. I've got this rub or seasoning that's been in the pantry. It's probably pretty chunky. It smells very good, very smoky, I guess. I've seen people do this. I don't know how, but I'm gonna have to blend this up or something. But it's a beer can chicken seasoning. It smells very good. We're just gonna give this a rub down. I'm gonna figure out this seasoning and come back. Alright, y'all. I poured it back in this bottle. Look at that. I think it's just too moist. You can't be seasoning your food over your steaming pot. I'm not sure how this seasoning was used. Give these a rub down. Also, I'm gonna put a little lemon juice in there. Should be good. The acidity. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that, but we'll put more oil. Because we want them crispy, so oh shoot. I'm gonna put more seasoning. Nice massage. They look good. Now a little more salt. And we'll get these on the smoker. I didn't really know what I was cutting, and I never work with chicken thighs or a bone-in, skin-on meat. Alright y'all, here's this chicken. I'm gonna deal with it and do it all up. We made some rice the other day and we made this chicken the other day as well. It was absolutely delicious. I put it on the rice and it was perfect as is. What I'm gonna do is get it all off of the bone, and this is basically just a meal prep for me. I love chicken. My husband, it's not his fave, so I'm more than happy to have a bunch of chicken to eat, and it's gonna be healthier for me. So I'm just gonna take it all off the bone and then I'll just reheat it in the air fryer and it'll get that skin nice and crispy. I haven't done chicken thighs too much. Like, I don't know if I've ever cooked them myself, and they were delicious. Comes right off the bone. Really delicious. Look at that. We picked up this smoker on Facebook and it's awesome. We got a good deal on it. It's best to get stuff secondhand, y'all. Get a good price and don't use as much stuff. I just smothered it in some Sweet Baby Ray's and boy is it good. I love rice with soy sauce on it. My husband likes it with salt and butter. This would be wonderful on anything. Probably put it on some tacos, quesadilla, sandwich. This smoked for 4, 5, 6 hours. I don't remember exactly. If there's any weird bits, I'll just pull them out, but it tastes so good, y'all. So good. So much meat. We just put Lowry's salt and pepper. The skin, like if you touch the top, it's a little salty, but the inside's perfect. And I don't usually eat the skin. If it's crisped up nice and not burnt or soggy, I might give it a try. I know people love that, but I've never been the biggest fan. We have done up a couple meats in this smoker and we are loving it. Loving it so far. Look at all that. You can put whatever seasonings on this, marinate it in whatever, brush it with something or not. When it's cooked, you can put it on whatever. Ooh, I'll probably eat this on a salad. Come on, forget about it. It's still delicious. Just taking it off the bone so it's even easier. So good. Look at that. Beautiful. And for a cheap deal on some chicken thighs, this is a ton of chicken. If you made this for the week, y'all, you are set. Good to go. So many amazing meals. Chicken salad, chicken taco, chicken quesadilla, chicken on rice, chicken on vegetables, just chicken. Chicken sandwich on homemade sourdough, for come on. All right, y'all, I've got some steaming hot rice here and my air fried chicken. I cooked it at, I think 375 is what it automatically goes to for 8 minutes or so. The top could be a little crispier, but it's totally good enough, and it's good just like that. But if you want, you can add barbecue, or soy sauce is even good. It's like a Chinese chicken. There you have it, y'all. So good, so delicious. Meal prep, smoked chicken. Bon appetit.